If you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on OPPO Find X9, then in that case we can open settings. There we go. Now over here we can proceed to the mobile network, and then in here we have personal hotspot. We can tap on the switcher in order to enable and disable the hotspot. And also below over here we have hotspot settings, where we can set up the hotspot name, the password, and we also have advanced settings such as the AP band, and we can also set up Wi-Fi 6. We can use Wi-Fi 6 protocol for our hotspot. Besides that, we have this automatic turn off option for personal hotspot, which makes the hotspot be automatically disabled after 10 minutes if no device is connected. So once you set up these settings, once you set up the name and password and also these advanced settings, by the way, if you don't know what to do with them, you can just simply leave them as it is. It doesn't really matter that much. After that, we can enable this personal hotspot option. Besides that, instead of searching for the network on another device, you can also get the QR code. You can generate a QR code to your hotspot. After turning on the hotspot, we have this QR code scanner right next to settings, and then we can get the QR code, and of course we can use it on other devices. And there we go. Now other devices should be able to find our hotspot. Besides that, you can also go to control center, and some over here there is a chance that we might immediately find the hotspot as well. There we go. In my case it is over here, so we can tap on this button in order to toggle personal hotspot just like that. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.